How to change theme in Microsoft Outlook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this you will have to open up your Microsoft Outlook, then you will be able to find the option of view at the top panel. Just simply click on it. And after that you will be able to find the option of view settings. Just select it. And now select the option of general settings at the left hand side. And here a list of different settings will appear. You need to select the option of appearance and here you go. Over here you can see different modes like dark mode and light mode, and you can also see the modern themes. Over here you can also see the classic themes. You can select any of the theme that you want to change it to, and suppose you want to select this one, so we will just simply click on it and then click on this option of save. And after that when you just close it up, this is where it will look like. This is how you change the themes on Outlook. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.